Hi, I'm Sherry. In this online tutorial, we will look at how to register a default against a customer. Firstly, we will demonstrate the eligible default features for those of you who have provided data to Creditor Watch through either an age trial balance uploading using DebtorLogic or integrated your accounting software such as Xero or MYOB. Rather than spending time searching for your database to determine who is behind on payments, Creditor Watch will flag potentially overdue customers or invoices that you can register defaults against. As you can see, this is shown on the dashboard. Simply click View to see a list. The customer names are provided, as well as due date, days overdue, and amount overdue. You can select individual ones, or you can click Select All Above Defaults to register all those defaults. Then simply click Register Defaults. If you don't upload your age trial balance or haven't integrated your accounting software, the process to register a default is still a simple one. Simply go to the credit profile of the customer, then click on Register a Default. From here, you will need to fill out the relevant information fields. Depending on the plan that you are on, you may have to upload a proof of debt document. This document is only visible to Creditor Watch admin staff and helps to ensure no malicious defaults are registered. Once the default is registered, it will be approved by our admin team and an email will be sent out to all Creditor Watch customers that are monitoring that particular business. As always, we're here to help. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please call or email us. Thank you for watching this online tutorial.